welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with another exciting and handy Excel tip on how we schedule refresh option in pivot table. So if you work on large set of data or you work on dashboard where a base data is linked, so it is going to save you a lot of time and it will make your life convenient. So we usually struggle on refreshing our pivot table every time we open it. But with this trick, whenever you open your file, your pivot table will be refreshed already. So I am using this simple data set to show you the demo. So I will just go here and create a simple pivot table. So for the sake of example, I will choose region here and I will choose salary here. So as you can see that here in this table, the highest number is north. So we will do some data manipulation and increase number for east. So we will so before that, let's see that trick on how we will schedule the refresh option. We will right click here, go into the pivot table option, go into data, and we will check this field, refresh data when opening the file. So every time you open the file, and if in between if you have made any changes, so it will show you refresh data. So we will save here. So here in east we will put some inflated figure. So here we will not manually refresh it, so this should increase. So I will just close it. I will just close it and I will open it again. Will should reflect refresh number. So if you can see here, this got increased. So this is the trick that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for watching.